Let's eat breakfast, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, beautiful people around the world. Welcome to our channel. Bibs Life in the U is our breakfast for today, guys. Hash brown and berry colorful fruits. Raspberry, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, avocado, have cherry, tomato pa, and banana. Let's eat, guys. Bon appetit. Let's eat, guys. It's up man po. Little bit only because it's people. Let's eat, guys. Plus coffee. Bon appetit. Time now, I think 10 o'clock. I like this guy. Blueberry. Ay, matamis na. Banana. Avocado. Let's try this, guy. This is raspberry. This is the first time we eat raspberry, guys. This is first time. I don't know what that is. Medyo maasim pala siya. Para siyang strawberry. So I think much better you need to soak the powdered sugar. Kailangan ng powdered sugar pala dito. Ito lang kasi ako guys nakakakain ng iba't ibang klaseng prutas eh. Kaya gusto ko tikman lahat ng prutas. Yung sa Pinas, lagi lang saging kinakain ko. Kasi yan lang ang kayang bilhin eh. Sometimes I don't buy because I'm thinking, what happens if I don't like? And then the fruit is twisted. Sabi ng asawa ko, edi, kung hindi mo gusto isatapon, isayang kaya. Masarap siya guys. Yummy, you need to soak the powder. Because little sour. Try this guy, potato salsa. Put over her. Mahilig mag... Ba't ganun? Ang hirap, pabuksan ko sa asawa ko. Oh my goodness. Struggling to open this guy. I'm thinking to put over her eh. Last time naman na-open. I don't know why. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! We got it! Na-open siya guys. Kailangan mo palang paluin. Kailangan paluin mo guys. Hammer-hammer like that. Na-open siya guys. We try this to put in my ano guys. I know this is good eh. Put in the ano. Try. In my hash brown. I put her in my hash brown guys. Salsa. have different flavor of salsa, guys, but have spicy. But I'm scared to buy the the salsa spicy. Maybe too much hot. I don't try too much. Let's eat, guys. Ang pura, guys. Sarap ito. Bye bye guys. I'll see you to the next video. God bless you. Bye.